कमिटमेंट एक ऐसा टॉपिक है जहाँ हर कोई इंस्टाग्राम पर कमिटमेंट का ज्ञान दे रहा है,
हम्म
बट आई थिंक द ओनली पीपल वर्दी ऑफ गिविंग कमिटमेंट आर पीपल हु फिनिश एटलीस्ट 10 years इन अ स्टेबल रिलेशनशिप.
हम्म
आपके कितने साल हुए?
15.
15. वाओ. हम्म. कोर ऑफ कमिटमेंट क्या होता है?
Core of commitment, I think, a sense of commitment ही होता है, रणवीर. I think that's within you, whether you call it conscious or whatever. See, I'll tell you what. When अनमोल was, जब अनमोल मुझे प्रपोज कर रहे थे, तो मैंने उनको एक ही चीज़ कहा था कि अब ये मेरे लिए यहाँ से और सीरियस ही होगा. You know, it was not like, okay, let's give it a try, let's see where it goes. No, because for me, whether it's work or whether it's relationship, अब ये मेरे लिए यहाँ से सीरियस ही होगा. अब मैं इसको मेरा 100% ही दूंगी. एक चीज़ जो मैंने ऑब्जर्व की है कि हम दुनिया में इतने सारे लोगों को मिलते हैं, है ना? आप मिलते हो, आप हर एक से मिलते हो, बात करते हो, मज़ा आता है. उसके बाद यू लाइक, ओके बाय, अभी आप घर जाओ, मैं अपने घर जाऊंगी. बहुत ही कम लोगों के साथ वो एक एनर्जी फ्लो होता है where you can just go on talking to them, just go on talking to them. आप घंटों फ़ोन पे बात कर रहे हो, या फिर आप मिलते हो, you spend time with them and you come back home and you again find yourself on the phone with them. ये हर एक के साथ नहीं होता. ये एक बहुत स्पेशल चीज़ है, और मुझे लगता है कि यू हैव टू वेट फॉर दैट पर्सन जिसके साथ आपको लगता है कि एक बहुत effortless, not like that person enters the room and you have cold feet and you're trying to be your best. नहीं, you're like you are yourself. अगर आपको वैसा इंसान मिले, और अगर वो इंसान uh, सही हो, in the sense his principles are correct, in the correct place, like he respects women, and you can find that out, then I don't think you should leave that relationship or let that go. You should do all, you should give it your best to see that it's final. Or बहुत ऐसे लोग होते हैं, like I have seen this, like I don't have to get into it to experience it, but I have seen this. There are some men who are toxic by nature. They are disrespectful to women in the way they talk, or they may be talking about women and their body parts all the time. So they're very like sexual in their conversations with a girl. Those are the red flag guys. Those are the guys you have to be away from. The guys who are genuine, simple, who love you, respect you, more importantly, will not be very touchy with you. They might just put a arm over your shoulder, but that'll be out of respect. And every girl can sense that. So when I say कि वो लोग जब आपको मिलते हैं, that you can have endless conversations with them, और उनकी कंपनी आपको इंटरेस्टिंग लगती है, वो टॉक्सिक अगर ना हो, तो you have to pursue that relationship.
आई वंडर कि वो जो रेड फ्लैग लड़के होते हैं वो इतने टची कैसे बन जाते हैं लाइफ में.
हाँ.
बिकॉज ओके व्हाट यू आर ट्राइंग टू गेट विद द गर्ल, दिस इज नॉट गोना हेल्प यू.
हाँ. I think like some people, I think they are just, it's in their DNA. It's a part of them. I don't think they have control over that. मुझे ऐसे लगता है.
कैन गर्ल्स ऑल्सो टेल फ्रॉम द आईज ऑफ अ मैन?
हाँ.
यू कैन, राइट?
हाँ.
इंट्यूशन.
हाँ. It's just about being comfortable or uncomfortable. Yeah.
How did you learn it in life?
Because I think by the virtue of my profession, I meet lakhs of people. Like a regular person will live many lifetimes to meet and interact with so many people. We are blessed. That's when I come back to that. I feel actors are blessed, like they have some kind of higher blessing, because you meet so many people in one lifetime and interact with them, work with them. ऐसा होता नहीं है normally. So when you meet somebody who has a good aura, clean aura, you sense it like that.
यंगर गर्ल्स को आप क्या एडवाइस देना चाहोगे रिलेटेड टू लव? एंड दिस इज अ लेडी हु हैज बीन इन अ 15-year long relationship. But just what's the girl advice? Girl to girl. I'm not a girl. But
Yeah. No, girl to girl यही advice होगा. about, you know, when if girls say कि how do I know he's the right person, I come down to the same thing कि वो जो basic values होते हैं वो दिख जाता है, वो कोई छुपा नहीं सकता. Like if there is any person who has any toxic qualities, even if that's smoking and you don't like smoking, but मैं प्यार में सह लूंगी, ऐसा नहीं होता. After some time you'll be fed up, you'll be like a victim. So choose your partner, wait for your partner, wait for the right partner, and don't be in a hurry. And आजकल चाहे people are putting that pressure, age pressure, या फिर the whole thing of peer pressure, like oh, I've been dating and it's so cool, and oh, if you don't have a girlfriend or a boyfriend at this age, you're a loser. I've heard people say that. I don't think that's true. I don't think that's true.
I think it's a flex now to be happy in your singlehood. But that's an older
Yeah.
person speaking. I don't know what.
The older nahi, maybe experienced person. So I think this is a stage. But if someone is really seeking companionship, then that stage is not permanent. No, it's a phase you want to be in. No,
Being okay, being single.
yeah, being peaceful with that zone. But ultimately, if you are pursuing companionship, then you know somewhere that I'll wait. Maybe this is not the phase. This is not the time. वो आएगी मैंगलोर से टिकट लेके.
Back to Mangalore.
घसी लेके आएगी.
Gosh, एक दिन. I also really like neer dosa with gashi. But I'll make the neer dosa. मैं cook भी कर लूँगा. मेरे को बस recipe चाहिए.
हाय, ये आती वगी आती.
कोंकणी में समझाओ आप.
की हांगा रणवीर सगळ्यांका सांगतसं की ताका कोंकणी चलयो मस्त आवडता ती. सो सगळे गोमटी कोंकणी चलयो ये आती वगी आती. हांव हांगा बसला. वर्डिक करू को विवाह.
Say जल लीजिए in कोंकणी.
Where's that glass of mine? There, get it? I have to do it proper. I can't just do it with a mug. Mug लीजिए. Yeah. Uddak.
Oh wow, Uddak.
Uddak. It's called Uddak.
Uddak.
Uddak. Yeah.
Best moment of my life. Okay. मुझे कुछ कोंकणी में बताओ. Something I can say. Don't make me abuse or something.
नहीं, I'll not do that to you. Okay. Maka.
हाँ.
कोंकणी चल्यो.
माका कोंकणी चलियो.
मस्त आवडताती.
मस्त आवडताती.
Like, you know what I said?
माका कोंकणी चलियो. मस्त आवडताती.
You got it, dude.
Konkanis are my green flags.
All the Konkani parents are going to run with that Varmala now.
I'm waiting. What is expected of a Konkani son-in-law?
To keep the Punjabi attitude at home.
Oh, I have heard this before. No problem. I get it.
No, I was just kidding.
It's
No,
fine.
see, I'll tell you
It is
what.
what it is.
I think South Indians are very...
Scared of Punjabis.
No, I'm saying they're very simple people.
Yeah.
Like, ekdam unassuming. They might be like rich, but they'd sit like this, ekdam, neer dosa khayenge, chup chap. So very simple. That's where we come back. Simplicity.
I'm a simple guy.
Of course you are. I think you are.
Yeah, I'm very simple. In fact, it's been a problem in relationships sometimes.
Acha.
Yeah. Just like being at home, nothing fancy. But that's fine. You can change that.
Why? Isn't that amazing? Like to have a guy who works and comes straight back home. I think that's what I like about Anmol. And that's what his father's also been like. Work and home, family. I think a problem happens when you have a guy who office से दोस्तों के साथ time spend कर रहा है and you're waiting. You're waiting as a housewife. You're waiting for your husband. That's your life.
I know this thing as a man where at least a lot of my friends who are not married yet know that once they're married, they're going to have to spend a lot of time and energy on the relationship. So everyone's aligning the finances, their lives for married life now. Okay. And I do think that marriage changes something. Maybe it enhances things.
Yeah.
But this whole thing about putting energy, time, effort into a relationship,
yeah.
I think you have to factor that out as a man. Because I think the blessing of being a woman is that all the thoughts are connected. But for a guy, it's very compartmentalized.
हाँ
So for us in our reality, I think we're going to have to lower the size of some of the compartments.
हाँ इतना सोचना नहीं चाहिए ऐसे सोचना चाहिए कि लेडी लक आ जाए कि तो सब अपने आप लाइक हाउ यू से कि वो बच्चा अपनी किस्मत खुद लेके आता है
Hmm.
यू नो ऐसे ही सोचो ना कि अपना कंपेनियन
ये बच्चा अपनी किस्मत खुद लेके आता है. ये
हम्म
3-4 लोगों ने मुझसे
बोला
पिछले
है
1 महीने में कहा है. तो I almost feel like some divine energy is telling me the same dialogue.
Jeez, really?
Yeah, so I'm
Wow.
not making this up for real.
Wow, okay. Hmm.
इसका लॉजिक क्या है ये भी समझाइए, बिकॉज आई टोटली बिलीव इन दिस एंड आई सीन दिस इन सम माय फ्रेंड्स हु हैड किड्स. जिंदगी बदल जाती है. मैंने
हाँ
थोड़ी एस्ट्रोलॉजी सीखी है शो के थ्रू.
हाँ
मैं जानता हूँ कि शादी की वजह से
हम्म
और बच्चों की बर्थ के बाद
हम्म
आपकी डेस्टिनी बदल सकती है,
हाँ
क्योंकि एक पूरी नई सोल आ रही है आपकी लाइफ.
हाँ ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज वो अपनी किस्मत लेके आ रहा है ना मतलब कुछ तो फर्क पड़ेगा आपकी लाइफ में आई टोटली बिलीव दैट यू नो सो आपका कुछ ना कुछ कार्मिक अकाउंट होगा उस आने वाले बच्चे के साथ दैट ऑल्सो आई बिलीव